Stop settling for stale marketing strategies. It's time to tap into the power of collaborative brainstorming and unlock innovative solutions. Start by gathering your team and setting the stage. Brainstorming is all about generating a wide range of ideas, so encourage everyone to contribute without judgment. Remember, there are no bad ideas in the initial phase. Dive into idea generation. Use digital tools like virtual whiteboards to capture thoughts, keywords, and concepts. Visually connect related ideas and group them into themes for easier organization. Don't rely solely on internal knowledge. Conduct online research to gather insights, data, and examples related to your brainstormed concepts. This external perspective can spark new connections and possibilities. Time for refinement. Evaluate the generated ideas based on feasibility, impact, and alignment with your goals. Develop a detailed project plan for the most promising concepts, outlining key steps and resources. The result: innovative marketing strategies that resonate with your audience. Increased website traffic, positive social media engagement, and ultimately, business growth. Unleash the power of collaborative brainstorming today.